back to the Gigi Show. Today we are introducing you to a very nice recipe, actually one of my favorites, and it is a vegan cashew spread, or cashew cream, I guess you could call it. You can put it on bread, you can use it as a pasta sauce, for example, if you make it a bit thinner. Yeah, it's just a really great thing that you just put on anything. And just a thing to note, this is often sold or marketed amongst the vegan community as a cashew cheese, and I think it's not. It's nothing to do with cheese. It's just a creamy thing that you put on bread. So if anyone has recently gone vegan and is hoping to have a cheesy thing, then this is not it. Don't be disappointed. But no matter if you're vegan or not, definitely make this spread because it is really tasty. So let's do it! What you need, a few ingredients. A key, well obviously the key is cashews, and then nutritional yeast. So this is something that is not for baking, it's just a yeast that makes it taste good. I've got this one I bought this in London, so I brought this over from London because I thought you never know if they don't have it in Singapore. I don't know. When you first move to a country, you do stupid stuff like that. You buy things back home because you think they never have it. Turns out, of course, you can get it in Singapore. It's just called brewer's yeast. It's the same thing. It's not flakes though. It's like powdery, but it smells the same. So that's cool. You also need some seasonings. I have cayenne pepper. This is good. Garlic granules makes it really nice. Salt, and then normally I put smoked paprika. Unfortunately, we can't get it. We haven't seen smoked paprika in the shops for months now, probably due to COVID-19. So I found this barbecue seasoning, which is also a bit smoky, so we use that instead. But if you have smoked paprika, put that. It's better. And lemon. I soaked these cashews in boiling water. So I just poured boiling water on top. And 15 minutes they need to soak so that they get really soft and they're easier to blend in this blender that we're going to use. So I'm just going to drain those. Cool. Oh, maybe, yes. So I'll add those to the blender first. Of course it's going to be dripping from here to there now, but that's okay. Just add that in. Oh yes, they already feel nice and soft. I think that's going to be nice and creamy spread. Oh, maybe too many for the small blender? Maybe I was a bit generous. I'll just go for it. It's okay. Okay, yeah, in terms of measurements, maybe don't put as many as I did. Cool. So now we want to add some salt. Salty is usually quite good, so maybe, don't skimp on this. I might add a bit more. Don't skimp on the salt. Salt is good. And especially because it's going to be on bread, which doesn't have a lot of flavor in itself. So the thing with this barbecue seasoning is that, I don't know if it has sugar or whatever, but it's very sticky. Bits of that, okay. Some cayenne pepper, and you make it as spicy as you want. Maybe not that, I don't think we want it that spicy. And the garlic granules, very good. I don't add fresh garlic because I think that would be too overpowering, but these dried ones, that's pretty good. Yeah. Have I added the salt already? Yeah, okay, cool. Lemon, probably half is enough. We have a fancy squeezer, which I can highly recommend buying. Yeah, just add loads of that stuff. It makes it so good. So I don't have much left of the London bought one. So this is probably 2 tablespoons. But I'll get some more of that Singaporean one in. Yeah, I mean it smells the same. Just different texture. Yeah. Just add loads. Okay, I add 4 tablespoons, 8 tablespoons. Great stuff. This is very thick. Do you want to film this? Like, can you actually see this in the video? This is more like I made a nut bar. This is not how it's supposed to be. Let's add some water. Oh. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Ooh, creamy. Okay, maybe I can make it a bit, yeah, I'll probably blend it up a bit more. Have a little try. A bit too salty, so maybe don't add that much salt. But it's okay, we can just add some vegetables on top of the bread. That yeast is different from the... Tastes different. But the consistency is spot on, and I will actually try this. I mean, yeah, there's nothing I can do to make it less salty, really. So we're just going to spread it thinly on the bread. We just cut it off. Oh, this is the half of the loaf that I made. It's pretty good. Get the knife in. Get it on the bread. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it's good. It's good on the bread. I could highly recommend. Oh yeah, you have to make that. Just don't put so much salt. And yeah, other than that, great stuff.